This video is to show you how to use Google Meet. So first, let's set up a video conference call. The easiest way to do a Google Meet is to set it up via your calendar. So here I'm logged in as a test account, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to set up a Google Meet and send the invitation. So say I want to have a meeting with my PLC Monday the 23rd at 1 o'clock. I click on the calendar and then more options. I title it, and then down below change add conferencing to a Hangouts Meet. Now invite who you want at the video chat. Hit save, and then it's going to prompt you to send an invitation email. Go ahead and send that. And now you can see the video chat has been placed on the calendar. Now on this end, I will have gotten an invite from whoever set up the meeting. I'll open it, and you can see the link is right here. But being that this isn't till tomorrow, I will just simply add this event to my calendar. Now if we take a look at my calendar, Monday, March 23rd, you can see I've got a PLC meeting set up. In order to join that meeting, I simply open up that calendar invite and I click Join Hangouts Meet. This will automatically open the Meet program where I have a couple options. First, you can have your camera on or off, and you can have your mic on or off. And now, join the meeting. Now when the meeting opens, other people will be joining the meeting as well. They are going to show up over here on the right side of the screen. Those that do the most talking or interacting will be towards the top, and those that aren't interacting or doing a lot of talking will be at the bottom. But be aware that everybody in this Google Meet has the ability to unmute and to talk into their computer. So that's the basics of setting up a Google Meet and accepting the calendar invitation and clicking the link to open it. Google Meet has many other features which we'll go over in future tutorials.